Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the STANLEY Pet Bowl, a fantastic option for pet owners looking for a durable and practical feeding solution for their furry friends. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what makes the STANLEY Pet Bowl stand out. This is a 3-cup, or 24-ounce, insulated stainless steel bowl designed for both dogs and cats. With its double-wall construction, this bowl excels at keeping water cool and food fresh, whether you're at home or on the go. It's designed to accommodate pets of all sizes, making it a versatile choice for multi-pet households. One of the standout features of the STANLEY Pet Bowl is its innovative 2-in-1 splash-resistant lid. This lid not only helps keep your pet's food and water fresh between meals, but it also serves a dual purpose. When it's time for your pet to eat, the lid conveniently nests underneath the bowl, creating a non-slip base. This means less mess during mealtime and a more enjoyable experience for your pet. The bowl's tapered sides are another thoughtful design element that allows for comfortable feeding from any angle. This feature is especially beneficial for pets who may struggle to reach their food or water, making it suitable for older animals or those with mobility issues. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for everyday use in smaller portions, ensuring that your pet always gets just the right amount of food or water. Durability is key when it comes to pet products, and the STANLEY Pet Bowl does not disappoint. Made with 18/8 recycled stainless steel, it's built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The bowl is also stackable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's BPA-free, ensuring that your pet is fed in a safe and healthy manner. This bowl is ideal for pet owners who value practicality and durability. Whether you're planning a road trip with your pet, heading to the dog park, or simply looking for a reliable bowl for daily meals at home, the STANLEY Pet Bowl is designed to meet those needs. In summary, the STANLEY Pet Bowl is an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reliable, easy-to-clean, and innovative feeding solution for their pets. Its thoughtful design features and durable materials make it a product you can trust for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.